The Honda CRF750L has a sleek design. It's perfect for both on and off-road adventures, offering power and agility.
The 2026 Honda CRF750L arrives as a serious middleweight adventure machine, blending true rally heritage with everyday usability. It sits perfectly between lightweight dual sports and the big adventure bikes, making it ideal for riders who want real off-road capability without the heavy, intimidating bulk. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF750L is a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers strong mid-range torque and smooth, confident highway cruising. The tuning focuses on usable low-end power, so whether you're navigating tight trails or covering long distances, the bike feels responsive and controlled. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox, an optional DCT for effortless shifting, and selectable riding modes that adapt seamlessly to different terrains. Chassis and suspension. The bike is built around a lightweight steel frame paired with long travel Showa suspension. Both the front forks and rear shock are fully adjustable, giving riders the flexibility to fine-tune their setup. With a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, the CRF750L maintains proper off-road geometry. Ground clearance and suspension travel are carefully optimized to handle rough terrain with confidence. Technology and features. A crisp 5-inch TFT display provides navigation, ride information, and smartphone connectivity. Standard features include switchable traction control, cornering ABS, multiple ride modes, and cruise control. Full LED lighting and a convenient USB charging port add modern practicality to every ride. Design and ergonomics. The CRF750L carries bold, Dakar-inspired styling, complete with a slim fuel tank and rally-style windscreen. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and narrow waist design make it comfortable for long journeys and easy to maneuver off-road. Expected pricing. The estimated starting price is around $10,999, placing it competitively in the middleweight adventure segment. Subscribe to the Auto Explorer for more detailed automotive reviews.